Split ends making your hair look dry and damaged. Don't worry. You don't have to chop off your length. In this video, I'll show you simple ways to remove split ends at home, without a haircut. If you love long hair but hate split ends, this is for you. Let's talk about easy, at-home fixes to keep your hair smooth, healthy, and damage-free. Why do split ends happen? Split ends occur when the hair shaft becomes weak and frayed due to heat styling, like straighteners and curling irons. Overwashing with harsh shampoos. Lack of moisture. Brushing wet hair aggressively. How to remove split ends at home. 1. The twist and trim method. Take a small section of hair, twist it tightly. Snip off the tiny split ends sticking out. 2. The dusting technique. Comb your hair straight and snip only the very tips. This keeps length intact while removing damage. 3. Deep oil treatment. Use coconut oil, argan oil, or castor oil overnight. Hydrates hair and prevents future splits. 4. DIY split end mask. Avocado plus egg plus honey mix and apply for 30 minutes. Rinse with cool water for smooth, nourished hair. 5. Avoid heat damage. Use a heat protectant spray before styling. Try air drying instead of blow drying. Split ends don't have to ruin your hair. Try these simple home remedies and keep your hair looking healthy and strong. Want more hair care tips? Visit Gramonify.com for expert guides and wellness tools.